As I mentioned a week ago, my administration values the role all employees play in service delivery in Nyamira County. I repeat, all employees. We continue to engage with employees on the improvement of working conditions as well as promotions. Today, we have met with the Kenya Union of Clinical Officers and have signed a memorandum of agreement on issues they had raised concerning their welfare. I appreciate them for the role they play in provision of health services, and I pledge that my administration will honor the agreement. I wish to say that we will continue to improve the welfare of employees across all sectors. I had instructed our department to identify employees due for promotion so that all those who are due for promotion are promoted before 1st of July 2025. My appeal to workers, today particularly clinical officers, is as we improve the welfare, you also should up the game of serving your patients so that gradually we form number one in terms of service delivery, because service is not only drugs. It starts from diagnosis, which you do, handling, which the nurses do, and dispensing of drugs, which the pharmacists do. So as we improve on the welfare, this I'm telling all workers of Nyamira County, as we improve the welfare, you should also improve on service delivery. I wish you all the best in undertaking your duties. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency, our CS, and the other protocols observed. This afternoon, I want to state that we have come into an agreement with the county government of Nyamira on the issues of clinical officers who are working with the county government of Nyamira. I want to say that it has been a lengthy discussion, but we really want to thank the county government for at least hearing our grievances which we have for our members. So the main issue which we had, I think it's promotions. Of course, we had 10 issues, but the main issue was promotions, and we have agreed that it's going to be effected as from 1st April 2025. Sorry. So I want to believe that this agreement which we have signed is going to be honored, and the strike notice which we had issued, and it was supposed to elapse tonight, it has been now suspended until further notice. But we would like to ask our county government of Nyamira to ensure that all the things which we have discussed be honored, and for us, we are ready to work and to help our people of Nyamira to get good services at various hospitals which we offer services. So thank you so much, and may God bless Kenya, God bless Nyamira. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Your Excellency. I think, Your Excellency, we've had 3 days of dialogue with the union, specifically to look at how we can improve the welfare of our staff. but also to discussing around issues around service delivery within our department, because clinical officers really play a key role in our patient care and also in providing specialist care to our patients. Our county currently has 198 clinical officers that are providing services across all the levels of care, from level 2 up to our level 5 facility at the referral. So these agreements will go, I think, a long way in motivating them and in ensuring that we provide the best to them in terms of their welfare. But also on their part, I think they've also promised that they're going to encourage their members to really improve the quality of care that we are providing and to ensure that the Nyamira people get the best in terms of care.